Dear children, good morning. You know that agriculture is the important means of human existence. Population is increasing. Along population increases, the food production should be increased. Agricultural research institutes and modern methods, modern technologies and researchers try to help this, try to help increase the food production. In this lesson, we are learning, we are discussing about the methods, techniques, researches in agricultural fields. The first lesson of the basic science standard 7 is reaping gold from soil. Okay, let us start. Look here. Do you know what are the factors you need for getting good yield? What are the factors to be considered for good production? Can you say? Can anybody say? Okay, tell me. What are the factors to be considered to get good crop? Tell me. Okay, fertilizers. Okay, pest control. Okay, there are many factors are there. Yes, let us discuss this again. Now, look, in your textbook, the entry part, you can see a student, Babu, says his experience. Let us listen what Babu says. Listen here. What Babu says. A pumpkin vine sprout its soil in the backyard. Then I give enough nurturing for this and make a furrow around this, watered it, and the pumpkin vine grew well. It spread well. But he faces a problem. What problem Babu faces? The problem is it produced only 2 or 3 fruits. He gave enough nurturing for this pumpkin vine and give all facilities to grow for it. But what happens? It spread well, it grew well, but it produced only 2 or 3 fruits. What is the reason for this? Can you guess what may be the reason? Write in your notebook. Okay, anybody can say the guess? Watering. Okay. Write your guess in your notebook. Now, before conclude this, first you write what are the factors to be considered for getting good crop. Then we can come again to the problem of Babu. Now you take your notebook and write this question. Look here, you can see the worksheet here and write this. What are the factors to be considered to get good crops? Write the answers. Okay, complete the worksheet. Then we can come again. Did you complete the worksheet? Okay, can anybody say what are the factors to be considered for getting good crops? Okay, say anybody. Proper climate, good planting material, okay, quality seeds. Then say anybody. Say watering, fertile soil. Okay, these all are the factors to be considered for getting good crop. Now look the pumpkin vine of Babu. This pumpkin vine get all facilities to spread, to grow, but it's fruited only 2 or 3. What may be the reason for this? From the factors, what may be the reason of the pumpkin vine getting only, produced only 2 or 3 fruits? What may be the reason for this? It get water. It grew in fertile soil. It get all proper nurturing. So, it may be the problem of seed. The quality of seed may be poor. It may be not quality seed. Quality seed is a major factor we have to consider in cultivation. You may hear a proverb in Malayalam, Vittu Gunam, Pattu Gunam. It indicates the quality of seed. Now, the main thing we have to consider in cultivation, first ensure the quality of the seed. How can you ensure the quality of the seed? Say, from where we get the seed? From where we get the seed? Okay, we get the seed from fruit. Where from we get the fruit? Okay, the fruit we get from plant. So, collecting a quality seed, we have to consider the quality of fruit and the quality of the plant from which the fruit is collected. So, we have to ensure the quality of the plant and fruit, then ensure the quality of the seed. Now look, there you can see a plant here and another plant here. What is the difference of these two plants? What is the difference of these two plants? What are the differences? Okay, this is highly productive plant and the production ability of this plant is very poor. Which plant you select for collecting fruit? In these two plants, which plant you select? Okay, a productive plant will you select. So when you select a plant to collect seeds, the plant should be healthy, highly productive and disease free. Okay, in this plant you can see many fruits. Which type of fruit will you select? What are the qualities of the fruits? For selecting to collect seeds, what are the qualities you have to care about the fruit? Okay, the fruit produced from the first span is not good for collecting seeds, and the last fruits is not suitable. Collect the fruits from the mid span of the production. Then ensure that the fruit is not attacked by any insects. Then collect the fruit only when it gets matured, when it ripe. A ripe fruit or matured fruit collected from the plant. Then some fruits you can see only a single seed is inside the fruit. Example, mango. In mango you get only one seed. Coconut you get only one seed. And areca nut there is only one seed in a fruit. But in brinjal, chilli, tomato, how many seeds you get from this? There are so many seeds in a single fruit. But from this, how can you collect quality seeds? There are many ways. Collect the seeds. Then, for example, brinjal. Collect the seeds of brinjal and put it in water. Which seeds are settled down fastly? It is heavy. It has more weight. So, you can collect that seeds from this. For collecting, for making good seeds, you have to care about the quality of plant, the quality of fruit, and then the quality of seed. First you select the plant, then select the fruit from the plant, then select the quality seeds from the fruit. Can you write in your locality there are many crops are cultivating in your locality? You can see many crops mean varieties of plants cultivating in your locality. So you may see some farmers collecting seeds from some plants. Can you write the method to collect, to produce quality seeds from any variety of plant? You can select a brinjal, lady's finger, chilli, or anything. Can you write the method of collecting good seeds or method of producing, making good seeds of any plant? Now write. This is the worksheet. Second worksheet to be filled. You have to fill this worksheet and post in your WhatsApp group. Okay. We discussed the methods to collect quality seeds. Now look here. It is a tamarind plant. In tamarind plant, seed is germinating. But all plants are like this? No. Look here. It is another plant. Nishagani. Anandashayam. This plant leaf is sprouting. And it is the pineapple which is sprouting here. There is the portion of a stem. The stem is sprouting in pineapple. Now from this we can realize some plants germinate grow from seeds, and some plants are produced from the stem of a plant or leaves or root or other parts of the plant. These two types of reproduction are there. One is, look here, seed is germinating, and these plants, other parts is germinating, stem, root or leaf. Other parts of plant is germinating in these all plants. But in these plants, seed is germinating. These two types of reproduction are there. This type of reproduction is called sexual reproduction. New plantlet is produced from seed is called sexual reproduction. And this type of reproduction, the new plantlet is produced from other parts like root, leaf, stem of a plant is called vegetative propagation or asexual reproduction. So this is sexual reproduction in these plants. These plants is germinating from seeds, and this reproduction is vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation. These are germinating from the other parts of a plant like root, stem, leaf, any part. But these are vegetative propagation. Now you classify the familiar plants into these two, vegetative propagation and sexual reproduction. So you can classify all familiar plants in these two columns. It is our third one. I look this worksheet and complete this worksheet. Give examples. Many familiar vegetables are, many vegetables are in this column. They are sexual reproduction. And tapioca or many garden plants, these all are from in this